Boys, I got the most funny story for you real quick. So last video, remember I was like, I'm gonna speak into the gods of the aliens of the universe. We're gonna get 1,000 thumbs up because I did so. Boys, I freaking did it. We're finally giving away this watch. I just messaged the winner. Hopefully it was you, but if it's not, we're always gonna have giveaways. I love you guys so much, but here's where the funny story comes, but not really for me. Boys, I jumped up and down. I was so excited. I literally tore my shit again. I tore my meniscus. I've already had knee surgery on this in the past and it's not looking good. I might have to have another one now, but literally that's how it works. I posted on Instagram. Everyone's like, how'd that happen, bro? Well, it was me jumping up and down with excitement of 1,000 thumbs up within a day, which is super lame now that you say. I used to get like a lot more. Anyway, appreciate it, bro. I'm so excited. It was well worth it. It's well worth it. I can still bend it. I just can't move it any other way. Anyway, boys, appreciate you all for so much support. Can we just try to do it again today? Like, I don't know what I'll give away something again. I don't know what it is. Didn't think about it, but if we get another 1,000 thumbs up within the day, guys, it made my day. Views are low. I'm stressed. Awesome. Even if you don't do that, just comments are great. I spent hours yesterday commenting back to like most of you guys after that video, so thank you guys so much for that. Without further ado, I got one question to ask you. Bars. Well, Tucker, come at me, bro. You called me a goofy one time. I don't like it too much. I don't even. What does that mean? You're a goofy. It sounds mean, so it's fuck you, Tekka. Unless you want to chill sometime, I'll totally change up my attitude. Freaking, so I'm gonna have to pay a lot for this knee surgery, right? We live in Canada, it's free healthcare, but in my case, I'm gonna say I have to pay for it, so I need money, boys. I'm totally joking, I don't need money, but that was my intro to this video. Is sponsored by NameBranFam.com. Here's the ad. NameBranFam.com, our sponsor is me. Link is down below. Boys, we got free jewelry on there. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, but the biggest thing that we just added is mystery boxes. I already opened mine. What comes in it? Well, the best part is right now. One of your mystery boxes for $24.99, by the way, is going to include either a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. But for everyone that doesn't get that, every mystery box is going to come with a custom name brand t-shirt, a random one of our merch, also a sticker pack, which are super sick. Can't wait to stop promoting this so I can actually stick them on things. And also a chain in your mystery box, boys. It helps so much. You know, when views are low, you got to look for other ways of money, which is selling you things. Link is down below. Appreciate you guys so much. Let's get on to this video. Alright, man, so y'all gonna look at me real weird with this video, but like, I love to customize things. I do it on a daily basis. I mean, look at my damn shed right here. It just, it looks like it's I got a garbage can on top of my fire pit, but boys, I like to customize, right? Well, sort out the camera. Is that a cool view? It's kind of weird. It's up high. Let's get my double chin in that. All right, I should just film a video like this. That's kind of a funny look. Chill, Brad. Stop. Okay, continue. Continuing. Anyway, this custom I've been wanting to do for so long, boys. Why you're gonna think it's weird is it seems like it's a no-brainer. It's like, why would you do a video on this? Because it's literally one step. But at the end of the day, would you think about doing this custom without me making a video on it? The answer is no, I hope, man. I hope that's the answer, or else I suck. You gotta think this way, boys. I got a brain of a bird. You know what I mean? Most of you guys got brains of like pigs. I'm not calling you pigs, but like, you got bigger brains than me or something like that. Sometimes it takes a bird to really realize how to have sex with the bee. You know what I mean? I just made that up right now. That made me sound so cool. So you guys are pigs and I'm the bird that has sex. Anyway, my brain works different. It's a super easy custom. Once again, it seems like a no-brainer, but I guarantee you didn't think about it before. So without further ado, boys, we are making the King Von, RIP to him, bro, O-block ring. Now let me just lead this with a quick question. Have you guys ever seen a sick pendant online, such as maybe this, or something like this? One's a little too big for it, but something real sick where you're like, I want a ring of that. A lot of people don't manufacture them because they're bitch. I, my friend, am that bitch, but I'm less of one. Boys, we unboxed this O-block pendant, super sick one, the first one ever to come out. Once again, O-block, I'm like, I feel weird owning this thing. I feel like I shouldn't even be allowed to like have this in my hands, you know what I mean? Because like, I didn't go through the things that they do on O-block. It's a totally different life. I feel disrespectful. But I'm doing it for the boys. Maybe one of y'all from O-block and you want to wear this thing. I don't know. I'm just talking too much right now. Anyway, we unboxed this pendant and I was like, yeah, this would be so sick if it was an O-block ring. so I thought, you know what, let's make it. It's damn easy, boys. All you need is the pendant. It's about $100, I think it was. Like, we're making this for $100 today if you guys want to follow. But then here comes the point of, like, what do you do, Brandy? How do you make it into a ring? Well, the plot twist that's not good. Plow. I bought this ring right here. Sick. What I went for is, like, the circular shape. So when you actually put it on your finger, like, we're actually going to attach it onto that ring. On your finger, you're still going to see the circle would match up with this. I might have to bend it a little bit because that one's a little more circular, but it would match up with this where there's nothing weird in the background, right? That was my plan. And then frickin' it was supposed to come in yesterday. I called up the company via friggin' email and they said it was lost in transit. I've been waiting for it for like a month and a half now. So we don't have that ring. That would have been a better custom because we were actually gonna weld it on. But then I got thinking a little more, bro. It's like I still can do this custom without that. All I gotta do is talk to my mom real quick and get that icebox ring I bought for like $1,000 and ruin it. Anyway, so I took a private jet out to my mom's house. It's about a 10-minute drive, about a minute flight time, except hopped on the take off and then, you know, we landed. So all in all, I spent about an hour and a half getting this today, but keep in mind, I still have a private jet. This ring is gonna work, and pretty much we're putting it on here. I already had a soldering tool. I was either gonna solder it on or freaking glue it on with like metal glue, but I can't do that because it's my mom's ring. So this custom's gonna be mad easy. You can make it better than we're gonna do it right now, but I'm giving you the idea. Without further ado, boys, go get your hot damn glue gun and then put it on your wiener. Trust me, it won't hurt. Just don't do it. Can't say that anymore. Everyone takes things literally. Although it's gotta be worth it to get sued for somebody being like, yo, I listened to NameBran, I put hot glue on my wiener and it hurt. I might take a charge for that. No, I'm just kidding. Can't do that again. Alright, boys, let's get into the costume. Get your hot glue gun, huh? Alright, vlog style. I can't find the hot glue gun. Oh god. Sarah? Do you know where my hot glue gun is? She said no. We got a guy working on my fence right now. He's looking at me like I'm crazy. Shoot, what are we doing? Oh god. We got a glue stick. This is not good. I'm gonna have to go to the store, I think. I can't even drive right now, my knees. Okay, so I didn't find the hot glue gun, but I did find a glue stick. Now here's a little science class for you guys. This is gonna work just the same. Glue your tongue a little bit. Your mouth has heat. Let it heat up, we're gonna spit it on in a second. Bad bit, bad bit. No, I found the glue gun, boys. Glue gun engaged, boys! While that heats up, what we actually need to do, I forgot, we gotta take off this little piece right here. It's a little weird, it's gonna be hanging off a bit. If you guys really, oh god, ew, that sucked to do. We're left with those little bunny ears on top. We're just gonna take those off too. This might destroy everything. I didn't really think about this. Why doesn't it close all the way? How do you use these? Oh, there we go. Quick bend off. So boys, we're left with our actual piece that we are literally gonna glue on this damn ring. And now your glue gun should be heat up. No, Brad, don't put it on your wiener. Alright boys, literally last step. I told y'all, it seems like a no-brainer of a video. You don't need a tutorial, but it's an idea I thought was dope. So we're gonna stick with this. I chose this ring specifically because I think I'm gonna put it underneath the O-block part of this. So you can still have the circle area. And that's just gonna kind of be the thing that goes in the finger. I think this should work. I'm using hot glue. Once again, this is my mom's ring. It does come off. If we wanted to do this proper, we would use something different. And we're just gonna place her on real nice, boys. Just like this. You can literally do this with any pendant. I've done it in the past. I think one video we made something real sick off a pendant. Also, let me know if you want a 6'9" one of these, because we got a small 6'9" piece coming in. It's about that big. It might look sick, but literally in just like that. Boys, I'm glad to give you the idea because look, you got a ring. That's all you need. You don't need a super expensive icebox ring or anything like that. Honestly, the ring that I'm gonna link down below would work a lot better because it's got a lot more stability. This one's just super small. It's kind of wiggly like that because this is so top heavy. The other picture, I'm gonna post it one more time, had like this. You know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean right there, but like this. So it like had a little more support. Boys, this is the way to go. We made the first O-block ring. Literally, you can use freaking hot glue on it, man. It's not gonna come off. This is top heavy. I'm shaking her. She's not gonna come off. Boys, take your pendants, rip them up, put them into ring style thing. You know what I mean? Do rings of them. That's not half bad, bro. That's not half bad. I'm here to educate you guys on some dumb shit. You know what I mean? And that's what I think I do best. Appreciate y'all for watching. Making the game the greatest of all time. You guys let me know though. What do you think this turned out as? Do you think it turned out dope? Once again, the ring that I actually had planned would have been a lot better. But this is what we're working with today. And it doesn't look bad at all. It does not look bad at all. The other ring also, when you bend, wouldn't have that coming up. It would literally secure it here and here. So this is kind of just a small version of what you guys can actually do with this stuff. Honestly, I wouldn't say no to hot glue though. Be a little careful with it. But boys, appreciate y'all for watching. Working the game. I love these custom videos, man. I love showing you how to make some weird stuff you probably wouldn't think of. You guys rock. Wow. Thumbs up. 1,000? Maybe. Probably. Probably could happen. Probably not. Bye.